morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Cooking. I have a challenge lock from none other than Average Picker. God, Average, you've even pumping out some awful good pins. I've just been watching your videos, so this one here is, excuse me if I get it wrong, but I'm trying. Break me. Let me look. I had it right for a minute. It's on the lock too. Bring me the head of UBU ROT. Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but I think I got it right. Bring me the head of UBU ROT. So that must be either a private joke or I'm just not getting it. But I'm always slow on jokes. So that's that. That's the guy right there. He's Average Picker. He's got like funny hair and stuff. Yeah, that's him. Okay. Got like a bald one key. I love these keys. Look at the key. Yeah, I mean, just, you know, it's just not an average dull key, whatever. And the bidding backs up what I'm saying. This is one awesome key and pick. So let us get into the thing over here. Thank God the Easies haven't returned yet. I expect them any day. There was just a few mild accidents on the range. Mr. Easy lost his pinky finger, and Mrs. Easy got half her nose missing, but they're still looking for it, so it's not bad. It's okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do here for the pick here. I haven't got nothing organized. Please forgive me. I want to go with the Bad Bob's tension wrench. I want to go with a 1.2, I think. Let's see what this is. 1.2. We'll go with the 1.2. I'm going to go with a custom pick, which is, I'm not sure if this has enough depth on it, but we're going to give it a shot. No, I'm not going to give that. I'm looking at the key as I'm talking to you, so I need something with a little bit more lift on it. That's the one I was actually looking for. That one's got a little bit more lift on it. I think that'll do, but we shall see. Alright. Let's get it into the little hole. I can do it. I could do it. If I had hair around it, I'd find it first, but, oh, excuse me, that was rude. Won't stay in. That's my problem. Okay. Again, okay. Come on, man. Don't make me look embarrassed there. I already feel it. I'm gonna go with the other side. I need something longer. And that's what she said. I'm so glad not them be here. Woo! That's a, yeah, okay. Alright. A little bit more this way. A little bit more that way. Let's see what we got. Okay, Average, what'd you put in the bag? Click at a 1. Nice click. The old steel pinning way of, there we go, I got something just moved right there. A little swoop method. I wish I could remember to do that all the time. Okay, that was 2. What a good false set going already. Okay, swoop, swoop. Movement there. Swooping. I am swooping. Swooping. I'm just a swooping guy. Okay, that was number 3. I got a great false set going. I hope you can see this. Great false set going. I'll try to leave it like that. I'll try to move over a little bit. Okay. Swooping. Okay, that was 2. Counter rotation on 4. Oh, right there. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Starting the back again. Sure like the rear. That worked well for me. Okay, that was a good movement. The rear, a good movement. Man, I should make a Pepto-Bismol commercial. Okay, number 5 here. Yes, we have that. A problem in the rear, but it's easy. So just drink some Pepto-Bismol and it'll be very easy. 3, great false set going there. 2, gotcha, baby. That was a good one. Yeah, there's more Pepto-Bismol. That was good. Oh, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was a good pick. I haven't had a good one in a while. Movement or pick. So, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, that was cool. Very, very cool. Keep this right here in frame for everybody. That was great, man. Sorry, I'm not trying to be all stupid. I'm just trying to feel better and get my cockiness back in the right space. Okay, what do we need here? A good pitting tray. There ain't no bad pitting tray because they all got my name on it. Okay, don't need that. Thumper, that's me. Okay, don't need that anymore. I need something to get this out. Never got one of those things that you unwind with, but let's just do that right there so you can see what I just used, man. It was just perfect. I think it was this. Put it in there, put it on that bottom ledge, and push it down. Yeah. Don't shoot. Don't shoot there. Okay. Got the top part off. Okay, there's a spring still attached to it. That's always a good thing. Okay, average picker. Nice lock. Very nice lock. Let me lock it up just a little bit. Okay, trying to do this through the camera again. Shim. Hope everybody's having a good rest of the week or whatever. Come on, get in there. And then whatever. Just hope you guys are really doing well out there, you know. What can I say? And my follower. Come on, no problems. No problems at all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mama, baby. Yeah. I'm just sounding just like Elvis, aren't I? Yeah, yo, Mom. Born on my birthday. Well, he's a little bit ahead of my time, but January 8th. Your mama, baby. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's get this introspective. Can't we zoom? I guess we could. This one wants to zoom. Number 1. Very nice pin. I'll go over these pins in a minute. Average Picker has sure gotten some good looking pins going for him. Now, if you can do something about him, well, he'd be great. Holy kidding, brother. You're just as good looking as your pins. How do you want to take that? That was 3, 4. Okay, wow. That is awesome. That doesn't mean I'm gay to you, you know, it just means you got an awesome pin there. Sorry. Screwed that one up. Dug a hole for myself. Okay. Let me see what I got here. I gotta break away from the camera so I can look around it. Get my tweezers here. That's 2, 3, and get that. Oh, come on. All right. Let's see what we got inside here. You guys can see inside there a lot better than I can now. I don't think there's anything done to the core. Doing this by Braille. Yeah. Stock. Yeah. It's like a blind man leading me to water. I can't find the opening. Good. Nothing there. There. It's all stock. Take my word. Beautiful. Nicely done, Average Picker. Yeah, let's see what we got up top. Hey. Okay. Number 1. Come on. Very nice pin. Oh, here's my shim. Always forget about that. Number 2. I'm not concentrating on the springs right now. If I can get them all at the right time, I will. 4. The springs are not popping above the shear line, so I'm taking it that because of that they're all the same. And there's no sense digging for it, but I've been wrong more than once. Let me see, twice, 3 times, maybe 4 times. Oh my goodness. Last pin almost destroyed the video. Wow. That is something. Okay, now I'll do all the springs are the same. Like I said, Bumper knows what he's doing. Alright, let's see what we got here. Don't shut off. Everything's going good right now. Okay. Bottom pins. Unzoom. No. Zoom. I can't remember which better here. Okay, the first one there is a serrated pin tapered down. I am sorry, the second one's totally upside down. Can't deal with that. Can't deal with that. Just messed the top pin it, but okay. That's the second pin. Beautiful looking pin. Third one. God, what do I do this for? Is a standard pin. The fourth one. God, Mama wears army boots. Okay. Is a beautiful, beautiful pin. I'm glad I did that. It's serrated. It's got a spool. It's serrated. It's serrated. A very, very nice pin there. And the last one there is this is standard pin. God. Top pins. Look at that pin there, man. It's like a tapered down, serrated pin. The second one has got a nice serration in it. The third one is like, there's no multi-serrations in there, just a really, like one big serration in the middle. The next one has got a bunch of little serrations I can see in it, and a sharp one at the bottom there. And the other one, I don't know what that looks like, a German hand grenade. It's got serrations at the top, a nice big serration in the middle, and another serration at the bottom. Definitely a German hand grenade. Alright, the springs are all the same, no big deal. That's what I got for you. Hope you like what you've seen. Trying to get back into shape and things, and I'm keeping this short. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you like and subscribe. Don't put your pics in anyone else's locks. Let's say the explicit permission has gone.